What's going on, Crypto Yang Gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang, and I'm here with a new video about ELDERHASH. But before I get started, I want to say thank you to all the Crypto Yang Gang supporters, all the subscribers, everyone who shares these videos, watches these videos, and likes these videos. We have reached our 100 subscriber goal, and of course, we're looking to do more than that. Of course, in the future we'll have more giveaways, but this is the first milestone that we have finally reached in well, no, not under, but in about a week. So I just want to say big shout outs to all my subscribers. Big shout outs to people who have been viewing the videos. If you haven't subscribed, I urge you to do that as soon as possible. I will be doing an Ethereum giveaway tonight. It's not going to be on this video, and the announcement will be on one of the videos that I make tonight, and in a random part of my video. So make sure that you stay tuned and you watch the videos all the way through, because at any moment I may just drop it down and just say, hey, okay, this is the video. But anyway, moving on. ELDERHASH. So yesterday we signed up for ELDERHASH. This is one of those cloud mining websites that have a huge return in a quick time period. It's supposed to do 100% return in 10 days, and then everything after that is profit. You're supposed to get 200% return in 20 days. 20 days, 200%. So whatever you invested, you double it in 20 days is what these guys are claiming to do. Now, this is a brand new website. They just started yesterday. So when I made the video yesterday, I urged everybody to jump in if you are willing to take the risk and the gamble. This is a pure gamble play. It's early. Yesterday was the first day. This is the prime time to jump into these kind of programs, because sometimes they pick up and leave in as quick as 20 days. Like spacemining, they were paying out all the way up to 20 days, and then they just disappeared. I haven't done an update on China Petro. I will update you guys on that one. And Azure Mining, they disappeared. There were a couple other websites that took, they actually paid until 40 days. So you never know when they're gonna up and leave. So you got to get in these things quick. Before we begin, I am not a professional financial advisor or consultant. I'm simply a guy trying to make some money, giving you my personal opinion and sharing my experiences on these new websites and all of these investments that I'm making. All right? I'm not telling you what to do. If you want to do it, do your research, due diligence, look up the website, see what you like about the website, then make your investment if you please. But, I'm not you. Not saying I am you, but if I were you, this is what I would do. Yesterday, I made a deposit. The deposit was in the amount of $50 in US dollars at the time of how much Bitcoin was yesterday. Yesterday, when I made my first video, there were only 12,000 active users. Okay? 15 minutes later, there were over 13 or 14,000 users, and then by the end of the night, it was double that. It was like 29,000. All right. As you can see, we are up at 40,000 active users. We have almost quadrupled the amount of active users on this website. The service online time is now 2 days. Yesterday was day 1. Today is day 2. Okay. The user withdrawals, they're showing that people have been making withdrawals today. I'm going to be one of those people. So far, my balance is all the way up above the minimum withdrawal amount. If we look and see how much this is from Bitcoin to US dollars, should be about $5. Yep, $5.28 is their minimum withdrawal. So if you make an investment of $50 or more, you are going to get to withdraw at least $5 a day. All right, you will be able to make a withdrawal every day, because their minimum withdrawal is 0.0005 BTC, which is around $5. All right. Anyway, so today we're going to make a withdrawal. We're going to see if this site is paying out. So this video is going to be me making the withdrawal, and then the next video is going to be me confirming the withdrawal or saying that, you know, whether or not I got it or not. It's just going to be an update on my withdrawal. I'm going to wait up to a few, like 3 or 4 hours before I make the video. If I don't have my withdrawal by then, I'll update you guys. And if I don't get a withdrawal until maybe tomorrow, that's when I'll put that video out and let you guys know. Anyway, this is the amount I have right now. I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that. So, amount to withdraw is 57220, 57,220 Satoshis of Bitcoin. I already have my Bitcoin withdrawal address. Okay, I'm going to confirm that 14NWY6, and that is 14NWY6. All right, total balance in here right now is 61,826 Satoshis. So when I make my withdrawal, I should have a total of 220. Okay, I should have a total of 119,046 Satoshis. So this total balance should say 119046 whenever I get it. All right, so we're gonna test this out, see if this withdrawal comes through. We'll see how long it takes too, because I'm gonna keep updating my balance on my Binance account, and we will see if it comes through and when it comes through and how long it takes. So I'll update you guys on that. All right, appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, share, like the video. We need to like these videos, guys. I know you're watching them, but you're not liking them. So do me a favor, if you're watching them and you get any good information, go ahead and like the video and share the video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell on the video. And if you're unsure of where the notification bell is, it would be once you hit subscribe. Hold on one second. Once you hit subscribe, there's the notification bell. It says get notified about every new video. You'll click it, you'll see the lines on the outside, and you'll get an update every single time I make a video. It'll let you know. That way you won't miss out on this giveaway that we're going to be doing here soon. All right, guys. Once again, I'm going to make this withdrawal to this account here. Yes, my info is correct. Submit transaction. Done. You will receive 57,220 Satoshis on the next payout wave. This can take a while. So apparently they do waves of payments. I'm not sure what time they do them. I'm going to keep on updating and refreshing the page, refreshing my balance, and we're going to find out exactly when they do it. That way we can know, you know, what their schedule is like. So it doesn't seem like I might get this instantly. I'm probably going to have to wait. But I did make my withdrawal. Everything's good to go. And now I'm just waiting to see if this thing pays out. And if it does, jump the hell in. So anyway, Crypto Yang signing out. Crypto Yang Gang, big shout out. Thank you so much for helping me reach the milestone of 100 subscribers. We'll be doing an Ethereum giveaway soon. It will be announced tonight on one of these videos in a random spot of the video. It could be halfway through the video, it could be in the beginning, or it could be in the end. So make sure you guys are watching. Make sure you stay tuned.